Your RYOBI USB Lithium HP Compact Hand Vacuum is designed to keep you informed, with built-in signals that tell you exactly what's going on. If you see red flashing lights, your vacuum is letting you know that it needs attention. Here's how to understand the signals. 3 red flashes mean the battery is low, 9 red flashes indicate the vacuum is overheating, and 12 red flashes mean the filter is clogged. In this video, we'll show you how to troubleshoot a clogged filter along with a few helpful tips to keep your vacuum running its best. If your vacuum shows 12 flashing red lights, it's time to clean the filter. Start by pressing the dustbin release button and sliding the dustbin out of the vacuum. Next, twist the filtration system to the left to release it from the vacuum. Inside the filtration system, there are 2 filters, a silver pre-filter and a black and white filter. Pull the black and white filter out of the silver pre-filter to clean. Both filters can be rinsed with water to remove dust and debris. Allow the filters to air dry for 24 hours before placing them back into the vacuum. For best performance, we recommend replacing the black and white filter every 3 to 6 months. Your vacuum's USB lithium batteries can be used with over 40 different RYOBI USB lithium products. To remove them, press the green button and slide the black handle out to reveal the batteries. Pull the green battery lift tab to remove the batteries. When placing the batteries back in, make sure the tab stays underneath the batteries, with part of the tab sticking out so they're easy to remove next time. Your hand vacuum includes a charging docking station, allowing you to store and charge your vacuum at the same time. Just be sure the vacuum is placed nozzle down in the dock. The docking station also stores your 2 included accessories. Both accessories attach directly to the vacuum's nozzle, and the 2-in-1 crevice tool and dust brush slides up or down with the press of a button. With regular filter maintenance and proper charging, your RYOBI USB Lithium hand vacuum will stay ready for everyday cleaning. For additional support, please contact RYOBI customer service at 1-800-525-2579.